just want to quickly show you guys this new product that I've been testing, which is a holster mount or a mount for my Garmin inReach. I really like this mount because of how easy it is to use. One-handed operation is key, especially when you're hiking, you're moving around, you want to check your inReach, you want to check your messages, you want to send a message, but you don't necessarily want to stop. I have it set up here because it allows the best connection to the sky and to all the satellites up there. There's a bit of a lock up here, which you can operate with one finger, pull it out, and you can look at your inReach, operate all the buttons and the functions, and then just sew it back into that holster. If you have any specific questions about the holster, do let me know, put it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions in a timely fashion. I will put the link to be able to contact Sarah Prince 3D in the comment section below, and you can contact her to order